Can a brand new construction home in East Nashville become a successful Airbnb investment? Today, we're taking a look at a property that might check all the boxes. Hey everyone, I'm Gary Dempsey with Elam Real Estate, and today we're touring one of several newly built townhomes by Harvest River Partners, one of Nashville's premier local builders known for quality construction and thoughtful design. This particular home is a 2-level townhome featuring modern finishes, spacious living areas, and one of the biggest selling points, a fantastic rooftop deck with incredible views and plenty of room to entertain. And make sure you stay until the end of this video because I'm going to show you some amazing views of the downtown Nashville skyline from the rooftop. Now, if you're an investor, this property should definitely be on your radar. One thing I love about this opportunity is that these homes are brand new. That means you're starting with a blank canvas. There are currently no furnishings inside, giving you the opportunity to design and decorate the property exactly how you want. Whether you're creating a luxury short-term rental, a vacation home, or a long-term investment property, you can put your own vision and branding into the space. These properties are also surprisingly versatile. While many people immediately think Airbnb, these homes can accommodate up to 10 adults, making them attractive to a variety of guests, including families, friend groups, corporate travelers, and visitors coming to Nashville for special events. And speaking of visitors, Nashville has become one of the top travel destinations in the country. In fact, Nashville is often referred to as the bachelorette party capital of America. Every weekend, you'll see groups of visitors exploring downtown, riding the famous party tractors, hopping between rooftop bars, and enjoying the live music scene that made Nashville famous. For investors, that's one reason properties like this can generate so much interest. Visitors are constantly looking for unique accommodations that offer more space and amenities than a traditional hotel room. But it's not just about bachelorette groups. Nashville attracts families, music lovers, sports fans, convention attendees, healthcare professionals, and business travelers throughout the year. The city's tourism industry continues to be one of the strongest drivers of demand for quality accommodations. Now let's talk about location. East Nashville continues to be one of the most requested areas among my relocation clients and investors alike. Buyers love the neighborhood's unique personality, locally owned restaurants, coffee shops, breweries, and vibrant culture. It offers an authentic Nashville experience while still being just minutes from downtown, Nissan Stadium, Broadway. Another reason East Nashville remains attractive is that many buyers see strong long-term growth potential here. The area continues to attract new residents, new businesses, and new development, making it one of the most exciting parts of the city. The homes in this community currently range from approximately $650,000 to $720,000, depending on floor plan, location, and available inventory. As we tour this property, pay attention to the layout, the quality of construction, and especially that rooftop space. Features like these can help set a property apart in a competitive market and create memorable experiences for guests. If you'd like information on available units, floor plans, pricing, or investment opportunities in Nashville, feel free to reach out. Now let's head inside and take a look at one of East Nashville's newest opportunities. So here we are in East Nashville, and this property here was designed for maximum flexibility, built for a non-owner occupied short-term rental, full-time residence, or furnished property. So it is definitely approved for a short-term rental property because of its zoning. And what I like about this is we're showing the parking area here. Plenty of room to park your car, which is sort of a rare commodity here in Nashville. Let's go ahead and walk into the property. You'll see it's a nice open floor plan. It's got nice furnishings, nice countertops, backsplash, and I like that hood, for your cooking, which is really nice. The recessed lighting, and lots of windows in this property. And what's really cool is that it actually has its own dining room, like a formal dining room, which is a little bit rare these days, especially in new construction. A lot of them leave that out for making more room for an office or something like that. So we'll head upstairs. This is a multi-level property, so it actually has 3 levels, which is actually perfect if you're going to rent this out to different people. They all kind of get their own space with that separation, which is really nice, but also with the main living space downstairs where everyone gathers, and then they can go kind of retreat to their bedrooms upstairs to the next 2 levels. So the floor plan's really nice. Lots of windows again on this side. It's situated in a commercial area You can see there's a main street there, and then down the street there's a lot of residential properties. So it's a nice mix. It's definitely walkable. This area here is really getting big, and lots of great restaurants and stuff to do, and it's really close to downtown Nashville. It's only about 15-minute drive down there, which again is perfect if you're going to be, renting a place like this out. So I'm up here on the 3rd floor with the last bedroom. There's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's 1,760 square feet. This bedroom here actually is connected to its own balcony, which is really nice. So your renters are going to have to fight over, this one. That's the one that I would want to choose. So this is nice. It's got another window in the bathroom, really nice shower, and plenty of space up here. Really nice built-ins, which is kind of rare. Again, there's a balcony here, and I want to highlight the back, the parking space area. And you can see now as we go up these stairs that the other units all have rooftop decks, which is something in Nashville that just people look for. That would be your main promotional photo if you were to list this as an Airbnb. I would definitely put some outdoor furniture out here, hanging lights, things like that really make this a fun space. You can see there's some restaurants and businesses across the street, which is great. And then the proximity to downtown, like I said, is about 15 minutes. And I'm going to zoom in and show you what that looks like. If you want to see more properties or learn about moving to Nashville, just check my link below.
Whatever. Yeah, the wonderful thing about that is that it speaks to people.
Finding a home is about more than just 4 walls. It's about finding a community that shares your heart. From our historic main streets to these rolling green hills, Nashville offers the pace of life you won't find anywhere else. I'm Gary with Elam Real Estate, a Christian-based brokerage here in Nashville. We love working with patriots who love our country as much as we do. If that sounds like you, let's connect. My details are in the description below.